Ruda Academy Thoubal gi kunga humdoi Suba Inter-House Annual Sports Meet 2025 DC Thoubal hena Kahmei Ias na TOURCH CHUKHATTUNA NGASIDAGI school asigi complex ta HOUDOKKHRE. Organizing Committee Ruda Academy na sinuna NGASIDAGI HOUDOKKHIBA Sports Meet adu HOUDOKPAGI thoramda DC Thoubal hena Kahmei na IAS na athoiba mingthunglen oiki District Youth Affairs and Sports Officer Thoubal Deben Moirangthem na thoramapu amadi school asidagi HOUDOKKHIBA NDA cadet Janet Lisham na akhanaba mingthunglen sing oina saru yakhi HOUDOKPAGI thoramda mahairoi singgi contingent singna chatkhiba March Pass ki Salami Deputy Commissioner Thoubal hana Kahmei IAS na oiki Athoiba mithunglengi warolda DC hana Kahmei na hai mahairoi singna makhoigi heisingba amadi ngamjaba sing adu lotsandabani miyamda uthoklaba maramdata mahaki tungi lambida mai pakpa oigedoribani Oza sing asi makhoigi damakta kathoklabani makhoigi damakta oza sing na laukhiba thodang sing adu kawroidabani oza sing amadi mama mapada kaidawlungda thogolon kairoidabani haiki Mahakna makha tana hai kaidawnungda maithire haiduna ninghannaroidabani punsida mai paktriba fawba maithiba sing aduna thona oiduna pandam adu fangdriba fawba hotnagadabani haiki
Declared often. We need to expose ourselves, our confidence, our potential in the school campus, I should say. And you know, I was also one of the sports-loving person, and I believe that each one of you are also excited to involve and take part of this sports meet. My dear students, the first and foremost thing that we should remember is to honor your teacher, be obedient, and also honor your parents. That is a must of a student. In life, we face many hardships, we struggle, and in my case, I would like to see one example because as we came up from a scratch, we used to feel why me and why not others? But I should tell you this, in every phase of life, in every stage of our life, we will face difficulties, we will feel the shortcomings in our life, but that is a challenge. Take it as a challenge, and that challenges will make you stronger to face many more challenges that will come in your life.